Hey everyone, in this guide, I'm going to show you how to complete the Black Phone 2 puzzle on Discord step by step. Let's get started. First, begin with the Black Phone 2 puzzle and select the flashlight and then tap Use. You'll see the phone booth in the front of you. Walk toward it and open the booth and select the phone to make it ring. Pick up the phone and listen carefully. A quick jump scare will happen, causing you to drop the phone. Look down and pick the phone back and select Use again. You may see a hand appear, but don't worry about it. When you look back up, you'll see a number displayed. Select the phone again and dial the 32597. And after dialing the number, a code will appear and a key will spawn. Pick up the key and select Take. Now use the key to open the box inside the booth and you'll find a note with a teeth diagram. Then this diagram shows a teeth are missing. Drop the note and look down to pick up the jaw and take note of the missing teeth. Just follow this solution. Just drop the jaw, then look back at the phone dial and enter the number 2345, 6 and 8. And after entering the numbers, more information will appear and you may notice a black balloon floating by. Just ignore it. Exit the booth quickly and find the wallet on the ground. Pick it up, flip it over and open it, and take the coin inside. Return to the booth quickly before the grabber appears. Once inside, place the coin into a middle slot, and this reveals the final code, which is 33888. Pick up the phone one last time and this will complete the puzzle. Exit the booth, select the alarm clock and press wake up. And that's it. You've successfully completed the Black Phone 2 Discord puzzle. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching.